Hello, people. Welcome back to Damien's Views. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Damien's Views. I haven't done that intro in a while, even though nothing on my homepage for my thing says that that's my intro, which is not wrong because that is my intro. But I just have not been using it for a while. And also, this camera is slowly falling down. I think I got it. Because you have to push the thing. Push it up. Please don't fall. It's falling. It's falling. But how far will it fall is the question. You guys aren't seeing this. It's dramatic on my side. It just looks like it looks like it's just slowly descending, but it doesn't look dramatic on your side. It's interesting. It just looks slow. But I might be tripping. I'll just keep my hand here for the rest, for like a bit, and see how much it falls from my hand. We'll see. But we're doing some linear algebra today, and it's going to be fun. So let's get rid of this thing, go over to my problem thing, and also, why is Eclipse showing up there? Oh, is it not? Oh no, I need to restart the capture because the capture is not restarted. I wish I did that before, but I did not. Properties and restart the capture. Let's go. Done with that. So now let's go over here. Go over to my math. Separate it into two. No, don't separate it into two. I don't want to see the calculations of it. I remember what I used this side for. My actual notes. So we got Math 204 open here. I have done most of the questions. We only did one of them with. I only did one of them with you last time, I think. But I have done most of the other questions now, and now I just need to finish the rest of them. What was this question? Let's check. Why am I not able to scroll across? I don't remember what this question was. Oh yeah, I remember, because I did this one, fixed errors in this, and then left the one that I had at the bottom to be at the bottom, but I fixed because I removed like 3 steps from it. But I don't remember which question was it. It's this one. So let me look. Let me check for that. That's not the one. Yes. Is it this one? I think it's this one, yeah. Because, yeah, I did some corrections for it and got to the answer. And then this long one was not the right answer. But it looked fun. I knew that it was wrong when it was there, but like it was just like, okay, let's just have that set. So we're going to do question 7, question 9. I'll do the 8 by myself. Question 7, question 9, and skipping question 10 for today. And then we're going over to assignment 2 because assignment 2 is out, and do like 1 or 2 questions from there, and then we'll call it a night. But that all depends on how much I get done in my Pomodoro timer. So I'm going to put the press the start button, and we'll just continue. So, how's everybody's day going? I hope it's going well. I can't really see the chat at the moment. Oh, it's my brother. My brother joined for a bit. Oh, he's joined for now. I'm glad. I'm glad, brother. I'm glad. I'm glad you're here, bro. Why am I typing that? I don't know why I'm typing that. But like, why do you have to specify that? Like, it's you didn't have to specify that. Your name is literally Savanja. It's like the only thing you could be is like you have to be related to me, and then where the rest is like I would have said that it's my brother. Like that's you didn't have to say it's your brother as if it's. Wait, it might not be my brother then. Possibly, because I don't think I was like, My brother is okay, so it is my brother. I was questioning if it was, but that was a weird way. Why do you do that? I don't know. I'll question you in person the next time I see you. But let's do some mathematics. Mathematic. You're going to see some linear algebra at work. And now he's gonna be like, oh, that linear algebra, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. You don't get it. You don't get it, brother. You don't get it. So let's get the solving. We're solving this system, and it is 1 point. We're solving for based on the thing. It looks like we're gonna have infinitely many solutions, which means I'm gonna have to write infinitely many stuff, which is great, you know. Infinitely many. It's gonna be amazing. Also, I need less volume in this music in my ears. In my ear, technically. But I don't know how much you're hearing it, but that is just the shenanigans for me. So let's insert a structure. Why can't I scroll it in this top thing? I don't know why it's unscrollable. But you can't scroll, which is annoying. And since I don't need to see the thing that much, so it's good actually. So I'll just scroll this out completely. I think I had a way to do this earlier though, because if I push this down to this length, then put this out. Okay, there we go. Because I want the structures. There we go. That was what was going on. Okay, so we'll bring out the thing, bring out the 2x3, and then just solve for the question. Or should I do 2x4 so I can have the dot dot? But no, let's just do it. Let's just do it this way. So we got minus 4x, 4 minus 4, then you have 16, and then 4. Okay, this is going to be super easy, barely an inconvenience. So then this is negative 3, and then this is 12. So then you would multiply this by, yeah, just flip it. Yeah, you could flip it on the top, and then go, yeah, so you go 16 no, okay, so let's write out what we're doing. So I'm going to make row 1 and interchange them because I just for the fun of it. Row 1 is switching with row 2, and then add the thing. Let's just make sure that it isn't. See ya. Thanks for joining, brother. But now you're going to bed, I assume. But I was glad to see you for a second. Let's go. So let's continue. So 16, 4, 12, and then we'll just subtract that out to make 0, 0, 0. And then what we have here is that how did that happen? So what I do is that I'll multiply this by negative 4, and then, yeah, so I can actually, let's do it the other way actually. Negative 4, let's not do the thing. So what we'll do is we'll just do row 2 equals to row 2 minus 4 row 1, no, plus 4 row 1 equals to row 2. So then this will now be negative 4, 1, and don't save it, please. Negative 4, 1, and negative 3, and then you multiply by negative 4 by 4, add it 2, and you get 0, 0, 0. So then, now that you have that, you'll go down here and start making, and you parameterize. Parameterize. I love saying that. I didn't know how to do it though. So, I barely know how to do it. I've done it like twice, like 5 times total, and that's not good. So we're going to go, what is it called? Yeah. So then it'll be minus 4 x x1 1 plus x2 equals to negative 3, but that also means that x1 equals to, why is there a space? x1 1 equals to half 1/4 negative 1/4 x, well, x2 minus 3/4. So now you have the set up. So then you set this. So then you have x2 equals to t, or s in this case. And then to s, and then you just put 2 so then you can go back and go make this s, and then you have x1 equals to that. So then for the thing, you would put in 1 for this, and then you put 0 for this, and you would put, no, you would put negative 3/4 for this, and then you would put s as negative 1/4, and then for this one, you would put just 1. A particular solution is incorrect. What does that mean? Interesting. So I was wrong, but I'm wrong. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. This is the same thing that we did yesterday. So we've done this one time, and we must attempt it again. So let's do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the textbook first, because that's what we did last time, and we're going to check it again. Does OBS see everything? Yeah, it does. So I'm going to switch to the camera so that you can't see where I found my textbook. So I don't want to show you where I found my textbook. That's just not right. Also, I have too much stuff in my, you see too much of my stuff. It's not like there's anything wrong with my stuff. It's just I don't want to show you all my stuff. There's too much stuff. interesting. Because I'm now looking at the textbook, and the textbook is kind of giving me the same answer, which is kind of annoying, actually. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the trusty old ChatGPT whatever ChatGPT kind of solution. Where we just take the question, take it to ChatGPT, and then we ask it and see what it has in store for us. Because I'm wrong, but like I think I'm right. So then 3 to do, 3. Interesting. So do I have to go back 4? So yeah, so we just do that. Yeah, interesting. That's what I said. That's what I said, bruh. I said, oh wait, no, did I say negative 3 over 4? Let me see. Yeah, I said negative 3 over 4, but why? Why? Oh, what am I doing? This is definitely, yeah, this is so wrong. Because, like, we did the positive thing, and then it's negative, so then it becomes, yeah. So, what I was tweaking, bruh. 0, then this is 1 over 4, and then this is 1. Submit, easy peasy. See, brothers, remember, negatives. I divided this by negative 4. That's why this one makes sense. Because that I did it before and it was just not. And also the way that this 0 and 1 works is because you have 0 of the normal number. So like 0 of this plus 1s. So 1s. So then it just goes straight through there. So 3 over 4, 1 over 4. So 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. And then you have 3 over 0 and then plus s. So then that makes that. So we've done 9. We need to do 7 now. 7 will be easy because we know that it's going to be an answer, a simple answer. And that's going to be good. But like, the world is an interesting place, and I like that, you know? You learn and live and learn and learn. But that was interesting. I think what I need to learn is inspecting my answers now. Like what we're going to do is we're going to make up because that's I think almost all the questions that we've done so far is that like it will be that kind of, at least for the linear algebra ones, it's always those like small mistakes. I just don't track that, and then because I don't track it, it just doesn't work. But I had the formula down this time, so that's good with me. I'm good with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the answers before I go on and do the question. Yeah, before I answer. So like I'll just go and do that first, and then yeah. So -9, -9. So then that will be that, and then this will be -63. So then for this, it's an interesting one because it's like, why? But you can see in a second. Watch. So we'll take this question, put it right here, and then put it right there. And then what I'm going to do first is divide this by -1, and then just add it over there, possibly, but that's not the easiest answer. So what we'll do is we'll still divide by 1, or if we divide by negative, add the 4 in. No, so you just you have to divide. You have to divide, which is annoying, but like you just have to. So you'll divide row 2 divided by 1 over 9, -1 over 9. 9 row 2 equals 2 row 2. So that's what we're going to have for that. Simple as that. I'm not just doing this, I should just press Control E. And then for the second one, we'll just add in the thing, the example. I was going to get water, but I did not get water before the stream. This is very sad. I don't know why I did that, but I did not. I did that. So 1, 1, and 5. Then for this one, it's -5 and -63. Whoa, although we can move this up and then divide there. Yes, yeah. We got this. We got this actually. We got this in the bag, bro. Does this now be? Wait. Yes. Okay. So we got -35. Yep, that should work. So then we go like that. And then row, so let's interchange them. Row 2 and row 1 are interchanged. Doesn't really matter how you say it. Row 1, so then you go row 1. So then it will go like this, and then you understand that the possibilities are limitless in every way. 1, 1, 5. Then we have -4, -5, and -35, bro. What kind of thing is this? -35. The people that catch that in the replay, I salute you for not shouting at me. And if you did shout at me, I understand. And for those that are joining me live, which are 0 at the moment, which is 0, absolutely 0 at the moment. I respect you. I respect everyone, even if they're not joining me right now, which is a shame. But I hope that they're doing something productive instead. You know. If you know, you know. And you know, that kind of song. I don't think I can sing that without being copyright claimed. But you don't know what song that is anyways. So row 2 minus 4, no, plus 4, row 1. Row 2, row 1, yes, 4, row 1. Yeah, that actually equals, yeah, no, doesn't equal the right number, so I'll have to do the division. Yeah, it'll work, it'll work so easily actually. So, we'll have, add in the thing. I'm getting good at this now. Let's go. Because I can see where it's going now. I can see it. Interesting. Oh. Intensity matrix that I can add. Interesting. Good to know. Because basically what we're going to add in is just the identity matrix anyways. But I do need... What? It's just... But it's not the 0. Where are the other spots? That's kind of annoying. I wanted the actual thing. But, so I need a 2x3 anyways, so like that doesn't even do. Okay, that's the one that I need. But okay. Boom. I will just do 1, 0. And then it'll be -5 plus 4, which gives you -1. And then this will give you 0 up here. No, this will give you 1 up here. Then this will give you 5 times, okay, just put 5 there. And then -35 minus 20, so then -15. No? Yes, -15, not 16. -15, because it's -15. No, it'd be -5, right? -35 plus 20 would give you -15. So that was good. I was right originally. But I doubt myself sometimes, you know. And now you go row 1, negative row 1, no 2 equals to row 2. Like row versus, no, don't get political, brother. Don't get political. I'm not a political streamer. I am an engineer. I'm an engineer. I don't care about politics, especially the US ones. That's for me, that's for Damie to do, not Damie's views to have to talk about. Unless he's talking about like in Christian politics or something. But I don't have time for that at the moment anyways. I just have time for studying, for doing work. So then this is 1, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 15, and then this is going to be 5. So then, oh, this is then going to be a weird, and there's going to be negatives here. So then this will be row 1 equals to row 1 minus row 2 equals to row 2. So then, no, row 1, bro. What kind of 10 is this? Row 1, and then you go Control E. Boom. 1, 0, 0, 1, and then you add in the R1. No, you add in the negative 10, yes, negative 10, and then the 15 here. So now over here, we'll put negative 10 and 10. Let's just make sure that these numbers are correct. So let's check back up to the original function and make sure that everything matches up. And I think so. So that's it. And I was wrong. But how? But how? Where did I go wrong? I don't know where I went wrong. Thank you very much. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Why is 7? How could y be 7, bro? Because now I have 9, whatever. So then you divide and you get oh! I see. Right there. Right there. I see you. So then you have 7. And then, yes, I see you. So then this makes it 0. 0. 7, and then you subtract it out, and then you get I see. So then this is 7, this is 7, and then this is 0. Boom, easy peasy. Thank you very much. What is it, 7? So why is 7 or 6? Because I moved that one up. Then exchange, so exchange the 2. Exchange the 2. Put that one on top. So now x is on top. Now that's annoying. So I think it's 0 and 7. But what I'm getting here is that x is 7, so let's try that. X 7, 0, 7. Oh, so it is. Oh no, that's annoying. I don't want to mess it up. It's 0 and 7, but I'm getting. This could be. So why is 9 wrong? Why is 9 wrong? But okay, so we got the right answer. But why is mine wrong? Because I have 117, so that one brings it, and then I bring it up. And then we subtract out the 1, so then that gives that. So now y is 0, and mine y is 0. But in reality, it's supposed to be the opposite. But why? I guess because I don't need to move it. Because if I don't move it, it stays as -1 on the top. -1 here. Then you have x. No, that still says. If you don't flip it, so then because now what you're removing is this one here instead of use Gauss-Jordan, because that's the way that we're using. Well, that's what elementary, whatever thing is, elementary operations are. But let's just see. So divide. Okay, so they're dividing. Easy. Interesting. 9/4. You didn't even get the right answer. You're weird. You're right there, and then you messed it up. I'm fucking out on 0 because you did that. Yeah, you're weird. What's wrong? You messed it up. Yeah. And then at the first column, multiplying by 9. I didn't divide, did I? Because I didn't see fit. What about swapping? I should have started the timer, but like, let's start the timer so we can have swapping row 1 and 2, then divide by -9. Okay, so you normalize. So then 1 on 7, then you would add in the other one. Add in, so then that'll be 4, 1 minus 5, or -1, 7. I see. So this one will be, so this changes this one here. So this is 7. So then it would be 117. Ah, okay. So then this would be that. Okay. So what we have to fix is this entire thing. So swapped it. Then you multiply. So then this would now be 7 minus 28. So, what? Yeah. So minus 28. Yeah, so then this would give you -7. And then this would give you 1, 7. Then you now would subtract, and then you get 0 on the top here, and then 0, 7 on the bottom here. That works. Okay. So then this would now be, yeah. So this would be 7. Boom. Easy peasy. Gotcha. But besides that, we're getting rocking and rolling. We are going into our second Pomodoro session with confidence in stride. I have 2 minutes to go get water. Let me do that. I'll be back. I'll be back. I've made it back. Let's go. In time with a minute to spare. It's not that far. Maybe like 4 doors down to get to the fountain of youth. That is water. Water is where you get. Where's all the money? Where all the money is at? You know what I mean? So we have that done. We can move over to the next assignment, which is assignment 2. Assignment 2. And what we're going to do. Not these two. I could do this one. Easy peasy, but I don't want to. I want to do this one over. This one's so long. Okay, no, I don't want to do that bad because you just have to figure out which one's the find a leading thing and then you just have everything else not. Because there'll be 3. Okay, that makes sense again. So then over here, we'll do this question and we'll do the other ones. We'll do 5 and 6. 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, 7. And then that's that's the soul. But let's go. We're going into our 5th Pomodoro section based on this timer thing. So let's go to question 4 and just do the thing. So the question states, the reduced row epsilon forms of the matrices matrices of 4 systems are given below. How many solutions does each system have? We got 1, 0, 0, negative 2, 2, then 0, 0, 1, negative 8. And because we have both one having leading zeros, but one that doesn't have something, we're going to say infinitely many. Then for this one, we have the things here, but because there's nothing here, we don't care about this. So we now have we only care about this and disregard this zeros piles here. So because of the way that it is formatted, we can definitively say that it has a unique solution. Then for this one, we have 3 different slides. One does not have, we have 1, 0, 0, and then this one, this, and then we have a 0, 0, 1. And because of that, we can say no solutions, because there's no way that 0x can be 1. It just doesn't make sense. So we'll put no. Then for this one, once again, we have zeros here. So we disregard this. But then again, we have a 0, 0 column where there are no, meaning that there is no solution. So based on that, should we press the button and see if I am correct in all 4 of my choices? Yes, we should. And if it's wrong, you know who will call. But because we don't have to, let's go. We're actually kind of good at this. I don't know who told you I'm not good at linear algebra. Maybe me, but like, I'm okay. I'm getting better, you know. Getting better. I'm hitting the Trump emotes. But I'm not trumping. I'm not Trump. I'm Damien. But For this one, we're determine the value where of the so that it's such that the thing is a consistent linear system. Let's figure out what a consistent linear system is again. Consistent linear system has anything but one value. Okay, so for this one, well, we have I see. So because we have the setup this way, what we need to do is we need to make sure that it just eliminates. So what we'll do is we'll hit the, so this will now be, if we multiply by 3 and then add this to, yeah, multiply by 3 and add it, you'll now have 0, 0, and we want it to be so that you have 0, 0 and the thing, so then you'll put the -2 here, and then what? Because you want it to be 0, 0, right? I'm pretty sure it's 2. Or is it 2 or -2? It might be 2. It might be -2. It might be 2. Which check? I think it's 2. Oh, I had to do the long thing. That hurts us. Okay, that makes sense. Because I was thinking that's the way that I needed to do, but I guess that's, yeah. So I had one thing right, but then I had the other part wrong. Because what you had to do is that you have to like actually solve for the row echelon form. Because I thought, which I saw because we did that in class today, but so let's do that and then we'll let's do that real quick and then we'll put the answer that we already know is -2/3, but like let's just do it actually. So let's do it. And then the other ones we'll do a legit one, and then it looks like we'll have much time left for like another one, so we'll see. This one I think will take a bit, so we'll just do this one. So it's a 2x3, so we'll just put in no brother, I'm forgetting that it's just like an easy thing. Go over here, got a 2x3, then you go 3, -7, h, then hit a -9, 21, and 2. So now we want to move the other one to the bottom. I think that's what they did. They swapped it, I think. Or did they swap it? No, they didn't swap it. They just added it. So for this one, what I will do is that because I need it to be this way, what we'll do is we'll go over here and then we'll multiply by -3 and then add it over there. Or did they actually? Yeah, so oh, I see. So instead of they're attaching it to the one that has the zero, that like has it like that. So what we'll do is this. Okay. So -3. So row 2 plus 3 row 1 equals to row 2. So then row 2, no. Oh no, add in the thing. So 3, -7, and h. And then on the other hand, it would be 0, 0, and 2 plus 3h. And then to make h, so then Okay, so now when you have that, so now because we're solving for h equals, we want h to equal something. So 2 plus 3h plus 3h equals to 0. So then you bring 3h on the side, h minus 2, then divide it by 3, and then you get h equals to negative 2 over 3. That works with me. Okay. Easy peasy. So let's do that again with this one, but in this one we're looking for infinitely many solutions. So for infinitely many solutions, we need this to be we need everything to be 0. And yeah, so we need everything to be 0 and just delete. We need h to also be 0 as well. Okay, so for this one, we'll do the same thing. And then to make it work, so this will now be 7. So where do we get this? So we're trying to make it 0. So bring this one in. Determine the augmented thing. So then it'll be 14 pages. That's good. How many words? 164 words. That's crazy. It's like the interesting thing is like on my calculus one, it has like 1,000 words, and because I was actually following the textbook more thoroughly, and also because I brought all the definitions of like different things, and I think I'll put that actually in this document so that I can have definitions of like all the different things, and so that we can cross check over here. But I don't have that yet. But the other document has less pages, I think. Yeah, it should be still open. So like, or should it? No, it's not. It's not open. This is me doing some other work. But so then add in the 2 by 3. So then you got 0. No, let's put the actual. No, should we skip the step and just go straight there? No, let's do that. Let's split the whole thing. Let's make it clear. 7 minus 7 and negative 3 and 3. Then we have 12, 28. Yeah, that already just 28 and h. So then for this one, what we'll have to do is we'll go and put row 1 equal row 1 plus minus 7 minus 4 row 2 equals to row 1. So then you'll have 7 Control E. So then you have 0. No, you do the opposite. So you do row 2 plus minus 4 row 7. Yeah. So then you have 7 minus 7, 3, and then on the other side you have negative 0, negative 7 h minus negative 28, and then 0 here, and then so h just has to be 28. Yeah, it should be 28, or just what's it negative? What? I'm confused because I think it's either this way or the other way, and I think it's the other way. But we're figuring things out because I haven't done these kind of questions before. Well, it's good to have that check. Establish linear dependence. K equals 4, that makes sense. Yeah, so it's negative 20. It's negative 28. Makes sense, but I think use Gauss-Jordan. Use Gauss-Jordan to show. So then, I see. So this one is the only one that would be plus 28. So then you solve for it, and then you'll get negative 28. Yep. That's why I was wrong. Once again, it's my silly mistakes with the minuses, with negative signs. I should have clocked it when I saw the negative, whatever. But for this one, it's quite simple, where we just have to solve for it again and make sure that the x is 0. But this one's longer because we'll have to figure out, like, actually make these two ones, solve whatever these two ones are, and then solve for that one. But it looks like if I multiply this one by 6, no, multiply this by 3, no, multiply by 6 won't work, because if you could subtract that one out and it'd still be, so I'll have to actually do the whole thing. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, so you would just systematically affect it until you get there. Okay, makes sense. So then this one, so for this one, h plus h plus 28 equals to 0. So then h equals to negative 28. Boom. Then for this one, for number 7, we have 10 minutes for it. I might just end early then, because I want to sleep. X, whatever. So then that would give you, this is a 2 by 2. This is okay, interesting. 2 by 2. No, I don't need 2 by 2. I need my full equation, the one that I made. So then you have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, negative 4, 2, 6, okay. Then 0, 3, and 13. I should make sure that the numbers are motion. Someone joined, but then it disappeared. Oof. 1, 1, 2, 2, then we have 1, 1, 2. So we're going to go, and we already have a leading one here, so we can just subtract out from, or do I just remove the one from the first two? Because if I just focus on just systematically eliminating this one, it could work. But I would actually have to do the whole thing. It's annoying, but it's what we have to do. 1, so then it'll be root. But I can actually just not care about these ones and just figure out this one. So it'll be root 3. But we want it to be no solution, so it will be, all we have to do, we have to make sure that this doesn't reach 0, and also, so this will not change anything, and this will not do anything anyways. So let's go, easy peasy. So root 3 equals to, row 3 minus row 1, row 1 equals to row 3, and then you have, let's control E that, and then let's bring the whole question down actually. Add another page, page 16, bro. For like 7 questions maybe. It's not that many. So then we have all that done. And 107, boom. Over here, 1, and then you bring down the row 1, bring out this. And then the equation of our 3 by 3 augmented. 1, 1, 2, 0. Add in 1, 2, -4, and 3. And then you have 0, 5, h minus 2, and what if I brought it up? If I brought it up and then divided, would that work? Nah, let's not do that. Let's not do that. But I could do it. You move it up and divide this one by 2. No, let's leave it. Let's leave it the way it is. We'll do the thing. We'll have to subtract this one too so that you can have that. And then we'll just subtract this last one, and then that's it. Because this will now be the hinging one, and we'll just have it broken. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. But if I moved it up, no, it just makes it more complicated. Yeah, it's not worth it. So then row 1 minus row 2 minus row 3 equals to -4. No, equals to row 2. And then you would do the same thing, so then you just go bring up my stuff for me, please. Boom. Row 2, so then it'll be 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 0. And then this would now be x 2y, no, 0, 2, no, 0, 1, and -6. And this is 0, negative x h minus 2. Yeah, h minus 2. Okay, that's something I necessarily fix. 2 row 1, so then that'll be 5, 6 minus 4, so that's 2. Then h minus 4. So then it cancels out. So just h equals what? Okay, so then this, yeah, so this equals -6. Okay, that makes sense. So then this will now be -6. And this is not supposed to be just with k. K minus 4, and then this will be, why am I doing minus 2 here? This is going to be 2 minus 2, yep, this just stays 2, and then this will now be h, k minus 4, right? K minus, yeah, k minus 4. And then this was 3, and then this is 13. So then you just subtract once. You don't even have to bother with the top one. And then we go, so then it'll be double. Yeah, so there you have row 3. Just hitting the, hey, 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 hey. 1 minute? No, I don't have time to spare. That's just annoying. Row 2. Row 2. Row 3 minus row 2. No, 2 row 2 equals 2 row 3. And then 59 seconds. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, don't do it. So then you go 1, 1, 2, come on, 0, then 0, 1, negative 6, then 0, 0, k minus 4 minus 6, no, plus 6, plus 12 actually. We'll be able to finish in 5 minutes. Plus 12, and then have the 3, and then you just subtract that, so then that'll be 12, 13 lines. So then it'll be 7. So then it'll be k plus 12, so negative k plus 8. Plus 8, so then negative 8. Let's just make sure, please. And I'm wrong! What am I doing wrong? Why? What did I do wrong this time, bro? Negative 8, but I must have done something wrong. I don't know what I did wrong though. Okay, that's what I got. So then so it means I did something wrong here. 2, 2. So 2, 2. So yeah, so then that's row 3 minus this, so then you have 2 6 minus 2 is 4, bro. Not, you're multiplying the wrong one. So then 6 minus 2 is 4. Then this one will be 4. So then this is 4. So then this will now be 4 here. And then it will now be plus minus 4 plus 16. No. Minus 4 plus 8? No. Minus 4 plus 16? No, row 2. So plus 24. Yeah, so then that does it. Yeah, so it's annoying. I need to figure out how to get better at catching these errors, though. That's the only thing I need to do. But at least I know what I did wrong. So what is just this little clerical little things. But I know how to do it now. So it's just that's annoying. So this is negative 20 because you have k equals to k plus 24. 4 equals to oh wow, this is close. K plus 24 equals that. K equals to negative 24. Boom. So negative 20. Sorry. And then that works. Okay. Interesting. So that's negative 20. Boom. We bring the boom. But at least I know how to do. I know how to do these things, just then slow at them. Ow! My ears, bro. You don't hear as nice as this as I'm hearing. Also, I think the thing fell. I didn't check. But thanks people for listening to this live stream. 1 hour and 15 minutes longer than yesterday, but started earlier, so that works out so that I can sleep longer. See you tomorrow. We'll do something different. It won't be a math stream. I'm still deciding on what it will be. It will most likely not be, I don't think, it's not going to be a calculus stream. I might do a chemistry stream, but like name it something different so that the internet does not bug out. But it was good. It's good being here. See you tomorrow. Oh God, someone just said, oh, that's nice. Someone, I don't know who you are, Torquay Milk, but you're right. They're just fancy boxes, and and anything else, anyone that says otherwise is a liar. Oh wait, I do know who this is. Ah, thanks, bro. It took me a second to realize who it is, but I'm not gonna dox you because I don't have permission to do so. Thanks for joining though. And see ya.